Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon as well so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Our analysis is extremely simple. We only give you the supply and demand areas and exactly tell you how to take a trade. Okay, so let us continue with the discussion of Euro USD, which is the Euro dollar, Euro versus US dollar pair. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion. Market is still trending in between our marked area of major resistance and support. And when we were discussing this pair last market on Tuesday night, market was trending over here. And let me take some few sample trades for you guys so you guys can better understand that how to take a trade. Okay. So for example, when market was trending on this support line, if you guys could have taken a sell entry from here, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately here, giving us a take profit of 2.7%. And then market re-entered over here and you guys could take a buy trade from here. So let us see that if we take this buying entry, our stop loss will be just below the previous candle and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.6% profit. Then we could take a short position over here, but we would have hit a stop loss. Okay, and from here, if we take another short position from here, we could hit a second stop loss. And then in this candle, we would have preferred to stay out of the market, and in this candle as well, because these are extremely huge candles, and it will be unrealistic to enter in market during these huge moves because market is unstable and we always prefer to stay out of the market during such moves. Okay, then we have to wait for the right moment and the right moment would be approximately over here, and we could take an entry from here and from here and from here. Okay, these three would be some great entry points. Okay, so if we take an entry from here, this will be your first entry. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 2% profit. And then if we could take an entry over here, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately maybe over here, or you guys can, for confirmation, you guys could have made a 1.3% profit. And then market gave us another opportunity to sell over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit could be just below. Let us go to the 15 minutes chart to figure it out further. No, our stop loss will be yeah, we hit a 1.6% area first before market goes towards the positive direction. So even this trade would have given us a 1.6% profit, and then market gave us another opportunity to definitely sell from here. Okay, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 2.3% profit. And then market gave us an opportunity to buy from this candle, so this will be our last entry so far. Our entry will be like this. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 2.5% profit. Okay, so that's all. Overall, very good trades were executed and our area has been respected beautifully over here and over here as well. Okay, so on both these areas, market has respected our marked areas of support and short-term support and major resistance. Okay, so now for 3rd of May, let us continue to mark our setups. Our major areas of support and resistance are going to remain same. So let us move forward these scenarios for tomorrow, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits in this pair tomorrow as well. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section and I will try my best to accommodate you guys as much as possible to the best of my knowledge. And still, if you guys have any queries, just let me know. And if you guys have not yet hit the subscribe button, then please do, so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. So I have also moved this blue box so you guys can better understand that where the market currently is when we are going to have a look on this euro versus US pair tomorrow. Okay, so that's all. Just do safe trading and never ever risk more than 1% of your total equity. And that's all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow night with fresh scenarios. Thank you.